vea mo. Te koe whaamiri koe na tuua I te makina no whona toi haa. Ia koe. Tua koe aia koe tuku au ia. Koe le maki whamui mui ko tamai. Ko au e me mui. Very young. When I finally started on when I learned from my father, I prayed for his profession. He's a master, the last master from the world, from the Maki descendant. So that's my dad. Although I it's a full-time artist. Design and then do this as a full-time job. Way back in 84, 85, like Kamakai and I will meet Watahi, with Black Hole. Then I had for now, but now Kamaka, that's what I started to do. Carving small like earrings and all those, and making rings from black ore and sea salt. But then I end up developing myself, improving carving, and I up to those big carving now. And that's my latest work is a big octopus. But we figure now, after Ian, Hurricane Ian in Hawaii, koe form koe me ako si ai te ia. Nai koe aka I fuaka. Ai ana si maupe ai ka ve ia te ke o tae o mea la. O awe pai tai. Ka koe ngā awe o ia I tamai ki whare ngā awe koe. Mau ngā awe te minimo o fu. Ka koe ai koe. My wife is an artist in her own right, so she do art, and this is what her workplace, and I'm doing my workplace there at night time where I do my teaching those participants from a workshop, and they came from Fiji all the way here to learn about bone carving. That's what I'm doing. And Ohulahi, timing our youth and employment youth and help them. Most of my workers are dropout students from high school. Some of them they form through and then one of my key men is about 21 years now of me and him working. So he can do anything, he can do this. But then he came here after Form 1, and then he ran away from school, and I trained him and teach him. So now he's my team enterprise. So what you see here, my wife doing that. So it's all the tougher work, and this is a nativity set where Mary and Joseph and baby Jesus, and this one when it comes to Christmas is one of our best selling, and we can't stop it. So every people buy them. You see, make it and then close it up and send it like that to the post office everywhere in the world, and it's all come from that place. After this, you can move in and see how she do that. Yeah, by being around in the world, Europe, everywhere, for this year now, carving in Hawaii, canoe building since 2000, so until 2010. So 10 years of being participating in the International Canoe Festival happened in Hawaii every year. And yeah, from there, you can ask question.
Yes. Koe pio ai ko ki e kanue agun sai au pito ka ga ha fa ka ven ki ngai foi I tongani ke sina ku ki ngau ve fe wa ha fa nga fonga e lava te whakatoronga mai foi whakakaukau ko no ngahe kanu ke hoko ka mea whanonga aki or something like that. Would that be possible?
Well, I don't know. Again, you might not be aware why the shift and why people shift straight away from using canoes for fishing and using outboard, funky waka for palang.
Yeah.
Because how much you spend, see, I have a boat and I experience fishing with that outboard motor. Say that's 40 horsepower Yamaha. And then you can spend about even 150 to go fishing, plus your bait, plus your food. So that will weigh up about 200 before you go fishing. If you use a canoe, you can't spend that much. You know, you can just spend for your baits and 20 pound and then you go fishing. The catch would be a little bit different, but it's still the area where they go fishing with that 40 outboard model Yamaha is where the canoe is still going.
The canoe can still go with
that. It's good to go beyond Marinoa, which you can use a bigger boat. It's okay, it makes sense. But if some of them just go around Pangaimoto and Manima and those areas, you can still
use the canoe.
And you can have big fish and
still same fish.
I don't know why the move was very quick, and fast. And canoe building is dying out. It's a dying out right now.
Ko taim ko ke ngai ko ngai kanu o ku ya na fa nga o po ko fa nga like your own feeling when you make the canoe and your connectivity with the canoe and stuff.
When you do the canoe, o ko te ngo e ki tai fe mari mo ke he o ke ma. Ke he me ba para. The po ba mana do the po ba there was the main part of the canoe. And there was a crossbar, the kiako, and there's an outrigger. It can be signified the family, where father and mother. And then the crossbar is your children. The canoe, it's a Bible.
Oh, where some proverbs comes from it, eh?
It's splendid. We are not covered.
Io, o kia whikina whi activity weko ki foi anga ki casual activity ko ha ai lova po pa lova a alo because you wa alo na whanga ake taimi ko mea ke pena ka pa e ke hokoko no empower nga fu activity pe he e lava fa fo po ki me ke kau ko nga ko ke pe ko tongani pe te mau pe sia sio ke na na wa ake po pa pe ko whanga waka pana ui ke he fisi me ka ko na fu ka ko fu idea ta tau ka so pe he pa te na wa afi me ta Hawaii ko ha mo amo me ka ko ke pena ka pa e empower mo encouraging nga fu activity ko ke whakahoko pe e lava fa fo ki me ke u fo noa ka to ke na u ki hoko atu no ai ngai kanu.
Totally no. It's happened now. You see canoes around there, made from fiberglass. But they have nothing to do with culture. And I've been there. I was a member there and I went there. But they have no interest. They rather, doing this fiberglass. They are Hawaiian canoes. Hawaii. Nothing to do with our culture.
Now fai ki to taha. Na fai ki to taha o ne na ne pe mai de vai ba e kan ke pe ku sion nai o ku e ai na possible ke na o nga ko foi ai ti afu ko Africa. O Africa fa o me kanu. E ka ku e lava na e a na fonga te na lava o mai nga he kanu totonu kanu instead of parangi kanu o kai nga aki ke unga ke mo traditional na usiwa to ko ke kanu pa na fa ka ke me ko ke empower them ta mai ki ka to mo youth and the new generation to think about ke wa losing our culture ka ku pa na ta mai it's impossible ke pa nga ko u aki be ne pe ku ku it's not last long ko rakia pa o ki pa ne ta mai it's too heavy that they can't cope with it. Do you think that's true? Do you have any other reason? Do you think so?
Vai whakua bōpā. Te aloha mo nau bōpā o and above weather, about 15 knot wind. They can't beat the wood. No? So, being challenged then. The Maulova Mado, they can't beat us. The Goinga is very light. If they can use it on, maybe 5 knot wind, maybe they can. But if we make the canoe that they are talking about is not the racing canoe.
Yeah.
But if I do the racing canoe like Koa wood canoe in Hawaii, but it's very expensive.
Yeah, it must have been expensive. A lot of work that you need to do for it.
A lot of money to spend.
So you were saying that you still have faith that the traditional canoes like the popao still could be used today and be as useful or even more than the fiber material Africa canoes that we're using today.
But those canoes will outdo the new one. There's no point at all or expected. I see that they can be above the
You would also notice that canoes are no longer existing here on our shores. Even here in Tongatapu, it's very, very rare to find canoeing. What do you think would, in your knowledge after being in this industry for a very long time, what do you think is one way we could get the younger generation and even us to be more interested in canoeing and as part of our culture?
I did one canoe festival. Maybe you remember that I do one about 2008, I think. We did one. So after that, Niua have canoes in their source, Wawaho, Ewa, they go back there and they do the same. But then the government is care nothing about it. And if the question is, Stephen, what do you think about this? What? I said, we need a government that care. This country don't care about our youth.
Yeah.
Let me tell you that. Yeah, and to be honest, I want to say that. They just care nothing about it. Look at what I have here. It's all with my own expenses. From 82 until today, the government haven't helped me anything at all. There's unemployment people around here that I can employ. I've been trying small industry for 14 years, and they did not give me a chance to go to small industry. See how many Chinese people in the small industry. And yet I'm sitting here under the palm tree there and working there.
True.
This country don't care. We need a country and a leader that care about our youth.
Cool.
If they fund any more program, because the program was fund between me and National Congress, youth.
Oh, yeah.
So the fund was between us. But the major sponsor of that program is me. All my tools, my time for 2 weeks, and my money was there.
Yeah.
So after that, all I receive is people call me on the phone, Stephen, what a great festival.
That's all.
We love to see that. Because we brought the canoe on those days. We had floats for Hawaii, Wawao. It's a big thing happened. But then they said, oh, what a great festival. Can you do it again? I said, yeah, give me sponsor and I'll do it. And then they just say it's good and help, but nothing. But after 2 years from that, after one first year, second year, there was canoes everywhere.
Very interesting.
They start building canoes after. If you see the TV, if you saw the TV, TV, you get a lot of power in you.
Iyo, iyo.
Yes, yes.
That's after my canoe festival.
Then they used it.
They go back and they do the canoe. Even here and find you after our main one. So those boys go back and they do one. So what you see on the TV is will happen here in Mongolia.
Interesting.
Every day you see on TV someone that pedaled the canoe or that's me.
Oh. They keep reminding our culture that canoe was exist.
Would you? I can see so much where the interest is coming from because it's in your blood. Would you know if there's any other navigators? I mean, those that carve. Do you have navigator experience too in your family? In your family?
Yeah, we have that. We have the navigating thing, but it's lost from us, you know. And Aunofo is a woman from about now. She is the captain of one of the canoe. They have 7 waka in the Pacific, and Aunofo is doing that. She navigates from stars. She's a Tongan from about. So.
There's no one here though.
No one. She went to Hawaii and tried to revive the.
That's important.
Do you think those skills are very important?
It's important.
The Tongan knowledge of navigation.
Yeah.
They actually are very important. Do you think?
It's very important
In
because
sailing.
it's all the new modern technology like sextant and those. It's all based on the old,
Traditional
star,
knowledge of
Ancestors'
navigation.
knowledge.
celestial navigation.
Fehui.
Anyone else have any question?
Oh, yeah, from interest, we were just talking about Bobao. What's in ako kaya bata ko baka ata hayo na po question. Kaya the tao na view law for career.
They can build one canoe for one whole year, but even it can be quicker because they don't do anything on those days. They only sit down and build canoes and cooking their own food. But now we are on and off.
Yes.
It will take time. But if we really sit down to make that, see that our project 107 foot long, the length of the canoe was built about a year and a half. But it's depends. So.
Comparing of time from back days to nowadays, yeah?
Like our give me more May,
Just like Hawaii.
we physical best.
Besi.
I go in my account and fire make one more. Like lava pen mango and do whatever.
And it's firm.
Okay, yeah.
Even
But they
the
take it to
glassy.
water.
I mean May.
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 A special kind of May care. May
Care.
When they see no sayang but you know now when I'm sink they sink the rock in the sea and leave it there for 6 months or 3 months and put it back and so there's no termites or nothing wrong, you know, because it's all the sea, the salt now.
Is that what you do with all the wood that you use for your carving?
No, why do you do that?
Just the May.
With a keyword like that. So I just leave it there for about 2 years and weather, sun, rain, sun, and then after that I start to carve.
It's just like the one at the bank. Did you carve
Yeah,
that
that
as
one's
well?
so
Yeah.
interesting.
Because I noticed that the tree was actually dying
They,
for a couple of years, and then it was just there, and all of a sudden you made it into something really beautiful.
they want to cut it up and take it to the rubbish dump it.
Yes.
But then they thinking about me and called me on the phone, and I said, okay, then we'll take poison. So we got it for them. So we're doing another one now with a mango for the Anglican Church. It's still on the way, so it will be unveiled next week.
And this is actually very good money involved.
Sometimes I don't do my work for money because the tree at the bank is a bank. They should pay me more. But they said, oh, okay, Stephen, maybe we'll dump it to the rubbish and take it to Tapuhia. But then I said, okay, let me do it. I like to do it. So I bring the boys, we do it. When we were carving that, we were on the top of the tree. I see boys from Matere, Yahon. That's the time when they're still fighting, And I see them, they come, that's
Attracted
a shark.
to it.
That's a whale, and they start taking pictures. Oh, this is nice. Look at this. Both of them, they didn't know, They're moving around under here, and one of them here, and they laugh, they smile. Oh, look at this. They forgot everything about fighting, So it made my day. And I've been paid. I mean, that's it. What else I need, So the money they gave me is nothing.
Yeah.
They can't pay my time, but that's the good thing. When I was there, up there and listened to them, hear them saying that, and the smile and the laugh and taking the mobile phone pictures, that's it, being paid. So,
You're giving them a good peaceful mind, but at the same time, you're giving them an idea of interesting about your profession.
that mango is more than 200 years. Yes, England. So when I'm doing that, they can't pay my time. But I take my boys here and they can't.
Yeah.
They can do that. Those boys were there at the bank, they can do another one in the future. So.
And whilst you're explaining, it actually comes to mind how your work, your skill, your talent in itself is a contribution to the revival of our culture.
Yes.
And it's said that the high authorities do not value carving, the art of carving, and also canoe building.
Because this is the mentality here in Tonga.
Okay.
So
that's what happened here. I grew up in Nakutupa, and I keep on listening to that. More, but not my dad. Kana whanonga we ai he kakai. Autorangi hako ka vare mai te alo from the Ili Wafu. So they look at this work. I go, wow, I was the first pioneer, I can say the first pioneer, that I finished my high school. I Tongan, I do handicraft. But everybody that doing handicraft, because if in the age there, and everybody started to think that art and craft, handicraft, could make a big kakai.
yeah.
Now, while I move into the industry and I change the mentality, I try to change everything. I have a checkbook. I think I'm the first one that do handicraft that they have a checkbook. And I was really respect those people.
Yeah.
No, struggle. And I hate ke whanau atu nā ko bina. And then my work I can go from we're selling on the street. And police and people come chase us with old women, they are mothers. Naka Yusaiya. I was stand for them. They go, that's what happened in our countries now. But kapati ke vare te kalo ngoue. Te kalo tau mātau, tau tai. Hey, what is going on?
Koe o ko maringa pito foi ho hango mention ko ke hanga ko hono e society o pe o skawa katoa pe katoa pe to an ka hango ai ko ka pau e ta fatata e ta ofia mo kato he peni me pe pa me au me mi hangelo mai fe ti ako ko to ani mi ta fatata pe na to pe ko academic studies ko ia pe ta pe is mo e movie ka ki na fa ka ko vocational studies as well e ko sio o na ifisi ta ni hango maringa ia ku ia foi university ta na to ko Fiji National University mi base ka to na mena to ke vocational studies. It's not all about studying from the paper and the book. Na poi pe umeke ke pano ange me kakai pasifiki fa pa anga seria me pa kan pasifiki me u vocational studies hang ko social workers ko u ka police me ange ta me na to ke a ko me na to nga vocational ke u sio pu ma nga ai ko nga ma ke ya ke laulana to ngan o ke pe laulana ko ma wa fe le pe sayang ako na ake no sio lalo ma pe ke kakai ko fa meiri ko arki uta ko me pe na to ke ma mo ui me he ka wosia ko wa family ko os matone na to ko tamaiki os ka na to master he ako ka ko ta os ha me na to tala mai ko la ta pa na earn na to tau ko na han to nga he ta va ilo la to ngan ko ake kafa o whakatau pe na tohe ni tike kakaimu. O na lapi na to mao e mano e whaka me a tape. Ko ngasio kumpea ia ke lawa taha ia o tāna ki e mano he ni ngai whapure anga. No, in just 1 month.
Okay,
taking that idea that you're kidding us.
Against education. No. Ko whaeke eke au ko whaeke mai ka. Ka pau te ke whai hao leo ke iu. Ke whalotolai. Ka ha whalotolai. Ko tāko e ako. E kona wako koe, ka haue ka hako whai e lalama. E koe makehe te, ka haue ka hako whai tō tai, e koe moe. Ai o mahuinga a koe.
Push low.
Ka mea kai me niho whaanga na tolo ai, whakalakalasi, this is white collar job.
Yeah.
I was sitting in a seminar na whai, koe tawa mai white collar job. Pausia te ke vahe koe nei whakalau mai koe he mea. I was kata wia usia ka whakaori mai vahe koe nei proud te ta market, so this is a soko mea kata ke mua ko, so you can have a white collar job, and this is how much you're gonna get, you can earn in 1 month. And I said, yeah, man, this is my ice cream money. But I didn't say that because I don't like